Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be talking about a site that actually pays you to be healthy. I'll be dropping the link down my description for you to be able to access this site. So as you can see, I have up to 129 AMO on my Amino wallet, and I'm going to show you the different procedure that you can take to make more AMO into this your Amino wallet, and I'm going to show you the different ways that you can make more money and the way you can withdraw. So first of all, let me go to what this site is all about. So the Amino Rewards actually pays you to be healthy. So all you need to do is to first of all to sign up in your Amino and download one of the free apps to get started. So secondly, all you need to do is to enjoy improving your health and fitness while enjoying your AMO. So here I'm going to show you the wallet that you are going to build it in. So before I continue, I would like you guys to simply go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel, click on the notification bell to stay alerted whenever we post a new video, and don't forget to go ahead in the video that you're watching right now and drop a like on the video because it increases our YouTube algorithm. It's really important. Drop that like. So guys, so the thirdly will be showing you how you can withdraw from this site. You can withdraw to your Visa debit card. You can withdraw through exchange of amazing sports bots and lifestyle. You can go ahead and swap into cryptos. So I'll be doing all the whole swapping and exchanging in my next video. All we need to do in this video is to make more Amino in our Amino wallet. So let's go guys. This is my Amino wallet. How did I make up to 129 Amino? So all I did is to claim my 5 Amino every day. So my AMO actually comes 5 times, some do come 10 times daily. So your rewards are based on your location. So all you need to do is to first of all look at your engagers. I have so many engagers here and the rest. So another way that you can make more AMO in your Amino wallet is to click and run some miles up. As you can see, we have the 5 AMO chill, the 12 AMO chill, and the 20 AMO chill. As you can see, the 15 minutes is for 5 AMO. So guys, this is my profile and I've already set in my profile. So like I said, that withdrawing from this AMO will be in my next video. As you can see, that the connection of this wallet into this site will be taking a little bit while, so we're going to wait for this site to respond. So in my next video, like I said about this AMO, I'm going to drop a video on how we can withdraw in this site. So as you can say that our daily goals here is 10k. You can be able to make this 10k AMO into this site if you take on the run and continue in the other activities. As you can see, my yesterday's movement was up to 2025 or 2035 or something like that. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click the notification bell to stay alerted whenever we post a new video. And you can go ahead and share this video with friends and tell them about the good works of Cosmos Airdrop.